Okay, I'm gonna just do a quick demonstration on packing your clothes with packing cubes. Recently was asked if compression cubes are better or regular packing cubes. These are the Gonex packing compression cubes that I'm trying to see which I like better. These ones, you put the clothes in, zip it up. You can't overstuff these. You zip it up and then you zip the whole thing closes and it compresses it. This is a little bit less space than what I've currently been using is these Travel-Wise cubes. Got them on Amazon as well. Both are equivalently priced, probably about under $20 per pack. These ones can come in multi-packs with different sizes. This is the average one I've been using and I have a really great system with it. And so this one holds a little bit more. I stuff it full, zip and go. This one you can't overstuff. You have to do two zips, and I'll probably get the same amount in both of these that I get in one of these. And so I'm just gonna do a quick little side-by-side demonstration. So I'll go with what I know first. And with this one, I roll my shirts. This is for a 4-day, 3-night backpacking trip. 2 pairs of shorts, a cute little dress, just for travel purposes to and from. And so I'll set those in there. Those ones I'm lying flat. And then I will scrunch in the biggest item I have, which are my pants. And then usually what I do is fill in with the little intimates, the socks, super important. I don't normally even pack socks, but on this trip I've got 3 pairs because we're hiking, and put all of that. And I just kind of tuck everything in. This is the way I've been doing it, right? So I've got everything in here, super stuffed. And this is actually my first try. I'm shocked watching it do this, but I don't know why I'm shocked because I've done this before. Watching myself cram this much stuff in here. And then all of my clothes are in here, ready to go. Then I just add like things like sunglasses in my bag later on, shoes, that. So that one's all ready to go like that. I'm just gonna snap a quick picture so that I can show myself what I did here. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm gonna take everything out. Now, the Gonex ones might be great because as your clothes get dirty, you have one for dirty clothes and one clean clothes, which is also a nice way to do it. So we'll get rid of that one and go with these ones. These ones are kind of more the standard size here. These you can't overpack because if you do, you won't be able to compress them. So we're gonna have to figure out what's gonna go where. I found with these that less rolling, the better to lie flat. Let's see here. And everything that I use is dual purpose. So for example, the dress, I can dress up, dress down. The shorts, can wear those anywhere. The shirts wick away and keep you nice and cool. So I really get the most out of everything that I pack, and I pack clothes that are super light as well and wear really well. So that's each of these zipped up. So zipping was super easy because I did not overstuff them. But now this is the compression part. And this is the part that I'm kind of undecided about and why I wanted to do this little demonstration to see how it goes. That's one. And this one actually isn't stuffed quite as full. So this one, then it gets stuck in there. Felt like it wasn't as full. This is the part where it's just a little bit harder that I'm unsure of which one I like better. Or this one, and we have 2. like this. So this is the compression. And again, this was the regular cube as one, same exact amount of stuff. And it's really personal preference. Now that I've done this, I'm actually quite impressed that it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be with that second zip up. I've been overstuffing them, so that's the key with these. Don't overstuff them so then you can compress them. And it seems to work out great. And then you could do one clean, one dirty as you go through until they both eventually become fully dirty. So there you go.